Let me show you how we can enter and exit the Fastboot mode on the Xiaomi 15T and 15T Pro. So first of all, in order to go to the Fastboot mode, we need to turn off our phone so we can use the power button and volume up button at the same time to open the power menu. And now over here we need to, of course, swipe up to shut down the phone. Once the phone is off, you want to press and hold power button and volume down. So we're gonna press and hold these two buttons together and just keep holding. And there we go. We are now in the Fastboot mode. Now, if you want to exit the Fastboot mode, we need to simply press and hold the power button and just keep holding until the Fastboot text disappears from the screen. There we go. And our phone should reboot back into the normal mode. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.